Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech and gaming. Today, we're diving into the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7X, a wireless gaming headset that's making waves across multiple platforms. First off, let's talk design and features. The Arctis Nova 7X boasts a sleek and understated design. With a sturdy metal top cover and soft memory foam ear cups that promise comfort even during marathon gaming sessions. Plus, its neutral sound profile makes it a versatile choice for gaming, music, and movies alike. One of the standout features is its compatibility. Whether you're gaming on Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, or PC, the Arctis Nova 7X has you covered. And thanks to its wireless dongle with an Xbox compatibility switch, you can seamlessly switch between platforms without missing a beat. Now, let's talk performance. The retractable microphone delivers clear audio for chatting with friends or making crucial callouts in your favorite FPS games. However, I did notice a slight dip in mic quality when using the simultaneous wireless mode, but nothing that ruins the overall experience. Battery life is impressive, with over 35 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. And with its adjustable headband and ear cuffs, you can find the perfect fit for your gaming sessions. Plus, the passive noise cancellation ensures you stay focused on the game without distractions. So, should you invest in the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7X? Well, if you're looking for a versatile wireless gaming headset with top-notch audio quality and multi-platform compatibility, then absolutely. However, keep in mind that the mic quality may suffer slightly in simultaneous wireless mode. And that wraps up our review of the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 7X. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, happy gaming!